In this video, I will demonstrate how to grade a Canvas quiz. I didn't mention this in the How to Create a Canvas quiz video, but you must add the quiz to modules or make the quiz feature available to students. To add the quiz to modules, click Modules, click the plus sign, add a quiz, and you can choose the quiz that you would like to add to modules. So you can see that the quiz is there, it's published, now students can take it. You can also add the quiz tab to the navigation column, which is this column here. Click Settings, click Navigation, and you can see it says drag and drop items to reorder them in the course navigation. But you can see that the quiz tab is already here, so students will be able to click the quiz tab and take quizzes. You can also add a button on the home page with a link to the quizzes. So when students click the button, they are redirected to the quiz page. Let me show you everything in Student View. So you can see that in modules, the quiz is there so students can take the quiz. And they can also click quizzes and take the quiz here. Let me go back to modules. So you can see that this is a syllabus quiz and it doesn't have a due date, but it's a good idea to add a due date so students don't get confused. You can even add a time. You can say that it's due on Friday, whatever day you like. So let me leave Student View and I will show you how to grade a quiz. You want to click Grades and you want to find the quiz that you want to grade. So I'm looking for the syllabus quiz. Click the points, click the arrow, speed grader, and you can see here that it tells you the questions that need to be graded, questions 5 and 10. So I'm going to scroll down to question 5. All assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. and the answer is here, Sunday. That's correct. So what I'm going to do is click the check mark. If that answer was incorrect, I would click the X and students would receive 0 points. But because it's correct, they will receive full credit, which is 0.5 points. The next question is number 10. This course is difficult. As a result, it is recommended that you spend blank hours a week studying the course material. So the answer is 12, and that's correct. So I'm going to click the check mark, and you can see the student will receive 0.5 points. I'm going to click Update, so now those points will appear in the gradebook. You can also add additional comments by clicking that tab to add additional comments. You can also regrade the questions. So for example, maybe when you were creating the quiz, you selected the incorrect multiple choice answer and you want to regrade it. So what you would do now is select the correct answer and then click regrade. You can even change the points. You can see on the right hand side it says assignment comments. You can even add comments for the entire quiz. You can add comments for each question and then you can comment on the entire quiz. So now I'm going to go back to the gradebook and show you the grade. So I'm going to scroll to the right and you can see now the quiz has been graded. The student received 3.5 out of 5 and the grade will appear visible to the students right away. An exam can also be graded using these same methods. that I have described in the video. So you can grade quizzes and exams the same exact